So, hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 10 till the 16th of November. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So, let's start. Hmm. Leo, the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Let's see what we have. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. We have the justice and the death and the nine of swords. Something is not right here. Bottom of the deck is the hermit. There is either lack of communication or no communication at all right now at this present moment. There's a lot of silence. There's a lot of thinking. There's a lot of this energy of what we guys should do about the situation, because it's actually going out of hands. There is some kind of balance that is dead, that is not there anymore. The balance is not there anymore, the justice is not there anymore, something is off, something went down, and it is very stressful right now. You guys are not able to see anything positive in this situation whatsoever. Even if you guys are trying your best to think positively or take things positively now, like try to see these things from a different perspective, you guys are not able to handle it, manage it, and manage it. It's stressful. You guys are creating scenarios or stories in your mind that might not even be true about this situation, but it's very stressful, and you guys are not able to sleep at night because of this chaos and conflict. It's anxiety. It's full of anxiety, full of anxious thoughts and energy. Some kind of injustice happened here, right? And it's the end of the situation because of the injustice, because of the imbalance. Now this might sound very weird, but one of you might be was involved with somebody else also while they were involved in this situation as well, and now you got to know about it, or the other person got to know about it, the person that the other person was involved with, and now they're creating this energy of this is not fair, this is not justice, this should go down. So something is going down because of injustice, because of lack of balance, because of lack of participation. For some of you it's a divorce or separation or breakup or a legal matter, courtroom drama kind of a thing. It's ending, but you're not satisfied with this ending, and it's stressful. You guys are not able to sleep at night thinking about whatever happened. There is the consequences. You are going through the consequences of whatever happened here, and it's affecting both of you on a deeper level. So there is a period of silence, no contact or no communication going on also. So the mutual energy here is transformation, ending, big transformation happening after this ending or separation or breakup. And the lesson here for this week for both of you is you cannot control or change whatever is happening. Only focus on those things that you can change or control from your side in a positive way that can help you in some kind of healing. Don't get stressed out about those things that you cannot change or control. It's easier said than done. I know it very well, but this is my job and I'm doing it as honestly as I can, right? Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Leo. We have the Hierophant. This person is feeling like whatever is happening for the highest good of them, of this situation. They feel like going on the spiritual angle of the situation. They feel this is happening on a all of this is happening for the spiritual growth kind of a thing. You might be dealing with someone who is very spiritual or religious, or somebody who is very much in this involved in this energy of cultural things, cultural society, societal norms. My god, let's clarify the Hierophant. But they're feeling this is happening for a deep rooted reason. All of this is not something casual. Hmm. Let's see, let's clarify the Hierophant here. We have the Knight of Wands, the Magician, and the High Priestess. But this was an on and off, in and out situation. We are together, we are not together, we are having fun. And suddenly, this person is manifesting this energy of this connection holds a very very important spiritual lesson, and I must learn about that lesson. The High Priestess and the Hierophant together definitely feels make them feels like this is a spiritually connected kind of a relationship. This is not as casual as they took it at some point of time, and now they're manifesting this energy of wanting to learn the proper lesson out of the situation and understanding the deeper meaning of this connection on a spiritual level. So, somebody here is very much interested in the spiritual lesson out of this bond, out of this connection, because now they're realizing this is not casual, this is not some on and off kind of deed. This is something very deep. It's a deep shit. Okay. Okay. They can feel the deep shit inside of them. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Knight of Swords. You feel like cutting this crap as soon as possible, charging on the situation, clearing the air as quickly as possible, because you are no longer interested in the slow energies and the stuck energies. Okay, you are kind of pissed off, right? So let's clarify this. We have the Nine of Cups in reverse, the Three of Wands in reverse, the Knight of Wands in reverse. Every other card is in upright position. These are supposed to come in reverse. So you are no longer feeling that this is your wish fulfillment or this situation is making you happy, but you are feeling stuck and you are feeling hurt, because at some point of time you considered this situation as your wish fulfillment. You were looking forward to have some kind of improvements in this direction, but everything went south from north, and now you are feeling to cut this crap as quickly as possible from your life so that you can move on. Is it that much easy? Tell me the trick also, Leo, if it is that much easy. But you feel like fixing your life as quickly as possible, as soon as possible, and cutting this crap out of your system, out of your life, as if nothing happened. Okay. Because it's hurting you, it's bothering you. Because it was important for you at some point of time. At least you considered this situation as something that's going to be there for the long term, but it went totally opposite from what you expected it to be. So it's like you are just in this energy of cutting this crap. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Two of Pentacles. Their intention here is to stabilize the connection somehow. They want to let go of this on and off, in and out, full of confusion kind of energy, and have some kind of stable base. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles here. We have the Ten of Cups and the Fool and the Moon card. This person wants to clear the air with you, clear the confusions with you, clear each and everything with you, the fears, the uncertainties, the insecurities, the illusions. And then they want to take the risk of moving forward towards you so that you guys can have a stable connection, a stable bond, so that you guys can think about the long term partnership, about the long term outcome of the situation. So this person is interested in making the situation go to a beautiful level of commitment or marriage, but before that they know they have to let go of a lot of fears, insecurities, illusions and secrets and whatnot. So basically this person wants to stabilize the situation, the bond between you and them, and they want to take the risk of moving forward in the direction of commitment or long term partnership, but before that they have to clear a lot of mess, and they want to do that. Not completely, not like very invested right now, slowly but surely they want to see what can happen next. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Five of Pentacles in reverse. You just want to get out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy and live your life to the fullest. You don't want to invest in the situation anymore. You're like, I'm done with this shit. How much time, how much effort, how much energy should I put in this? I don't want it anymore. Okay, let's clarify this Five of Pentacles in reverse as your intentions here. You just want to break free from the situation and live your life to the fullest and be happy again. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Tower, and the Queen of Swords. You just want to cut the crap out of your life, out of your system as quickly as possible, as soon as possible. You just want to be free, you just want to heal, and you just want to move to the next chapter of your life. You don't want to take crap from anything or anyone. You don't want to sulk or cry for anything or anyone anymore. You just want to have balance in your life. You just want to have this energy of clarity and understanding of what you are going to do next and what you are not going to do next, right? And you definitely want to cut this situation out of your system as if it never existed, right? And you want to be clear, you want to be okay, you want to be fine, and you want to move forward as if nothing ever happened. I don't know how it works. Teach me also. This is not real. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 16th of November, Leo. We have the Three of Wands. It's like moving forward, one foot in, one foot out of a situation, but mostly out, looking forward to have a better future. You are turning your back towards something or someone for good this time. Like, nope, it's not working out, it's not happening. I want to get out of this. Let's clarify this Three of Wands. We have the Nine of Wands, the Ace of Cups, and the Eight of Pentacles. So it's like you are going to turn your focus on something that you love to do, or someone that you are emotionally attached to. It's the someone can be a friend, can be a family member, can be your pet. So you are going to keep your boundaries very, very high. You are not going to allow this particular person or situation to enter in your life in any way from anywhere. And you are going to turn your focus towards something or someone that you really feel very good about, that you really feel very connected to, and you are going to put in the effort and energy in this direction where you are going to feel love and feel loved by the other energy in and have equal give and take of energy from both the sides. I don't think it's a new person or new lover. It can be a friend, again, it can be family, it can be pet, it can be your own hobby, it can be simple dance classes. But you are going to put in the effort and energy to keep your emotions in check, to keep yourself as happy as you can from your side. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys, Leo, for this thing, for this week. Sorry. Oh my god. Cold and cough. It sucks, man. Eight of Wands. You know, you guys, if you feel like cutting something or someone out of your life, out of your system, why not having a proper communication before doing all of this? Proper face to face communication, honest communication with somebody is going to help you a lot in moving forward in your life. This is for your own good, Leo. Because the way you are trying to let go of something or someone, the way you are trying to get rid of something or someone as quickly as possible is not going to happen. It's going to bother you. You might mask this energy of, oh, I'm fine, I'm good, and everything, but it's not the reality. So, if you guys can talk to this particular person or energy face to face and have that proper closure, it will help you a lot in moving forward. If not with this person only, you can talk to a friend, maybe a healer, maybe a therapist, maybe somebody who can help you to express your emotions and let them come out completely so that they're not going to bother you later on is going to be very, very helpful for you guys. So taking help from someone, talking to someone who is going to help you to let these emotions come out properly, it will help you a lot in moving forward in your life in a proper way. Okay, that's the deal here. Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is no. It's a clear cut no for you guys. I'm not going to explain because I don't think it requires any kind of explanation. Okay, so this is what I have for you for this week. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.